Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the language on your Telegram app when using it on your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your Telegram app language. To begin, open Telegram on your PC. Once the app is launched, look for the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to access the app's settings. Under the menu options, choose the Settings option. This will allow you to access various settings and customization options within the Telegram app. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and select the Language option. This will open up the language settings where you can modify the language used in the app. In the language settings, you will see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list by clicking on it. After selecting your preferred language, confirm your choice by clicking OK, or a similar confirmation button. Your language preference will be saved automatically. By following these steps, you can easily change the language on your Telegram app while using it on your PC. Customizing the language settings can make your Telegram experience more user-friendly and accessible. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing the language on your Telegram app. Enjoy using Telegram in your preferred language.